Hi everyone, welcome to my trading session. Today I'm gonna show you a simple classic trading strategy that's been helping me and my whole family living a good life. No indicators, just 1-minute trades. I'm starting with just $10 on the balance and let's see how much we can make during this session. Watch closely, let's go. Alright, I'm opening my first trade down. The price has hit a strong resistance level and it's already tried to break through a few times. It might break it eventually, but right now I'm seeing a red candle, which tells me this could be the start of trend reversal. The prediction was spot on, we've got our first winning trade, now the balance is at $19, let's keep it going. Interesting, we've got a strong uptrend going, but there's also a resistance level, looks like the price is about to bounce off it for a short pullback and 1 minute should be just enough for us to catch that move and grab some profit. Let's wait for the trade to finish, but don't waste time. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, it's really useful and I think it will help you a lot. The link is in the description. I will also leave a link to the platform I'm trading on. I've been using it for years, it's safe and works great. Plus with my promo code you will get an extra $50 on your deposit. Great move, I didn't expect such a strong pullback, but we won the second trade and now we've got $36 balance. Oh, this currency pair has very clear support and resistance level. I'm entering a trade down and I think this one will be profit for sure. The last two times the level was a bit higher than where I'm entering now, but I can see the price starting to drop, that's why I opened the trade. Nicely predicted price movement, that's why we've got the profit, $70 now on the balance. I'm opening an up trade on this currency pair. There's a strong upward movement, but it hasn't reached the resistance level yet, and we can see there are two of them. The price might bounce off the first or the second level, but either way 1 minute should be enough. Let me mark them now so you can see it more clearly. And by the way guys, I just wanted to say thank you for your message asking me to make more videos. It really means a lot to know that they're helping someone out there. I don't always have as much free time as I would like, but I'll do my best to post more. Thank you. Everything went just as I expected and I'm really happy about that. The price hit the first resistance level I marked and we have just enough time to take the profit. The balance is already at $135 and considering we started with just 10, that's a great result. Here's another good signal, the price reached a resistance level that has worked many times before. I'm confidently entering a downtrend. The price has already started to drop, but there's still plenty of time left, so let's keep an eye on the trade, anything can happen. We got the profit, but as you can see the movement has slowed down and there might be a breakout soon. I'm going to keep an eye on this currency pair and I'll be back in a bit. The price went up a little but still couldn't break the level and started moving down again. I'm entering another trade on the same currency pair because the market is pretty tough right now and I haven't been able to find any better setups. Nice, that's a $500 in the pocket and right after the trade closed the price started moving again. I think we got the best moment here. I will look for another pair and get back to you soon. Alright, I finally found a good situation. The price came down to the support level that has worked a couple of times before. I'm entering a trade up because there was a strong move down earlier and the price can just keep dropping forever. It should bounce a bit from this support level, and for our 1 minute expiration it's a perfect opportunity. Now that's a kind of move I like. The balance is already at $960. Wasn't the easiest day, but that's just part of the game. Finally, we've got a perfect signal. The price came up to the resistance level several times, but bounced off each time. I'm entering a trade down right away because I don't think it will break it through. Looks like a trend reversal is coming. Oh my god, that's a win, but that was a tough one. The price really tried to break through the level, but since we got the perfect entry point, everything worked out. Now the balance is at 1850. I've checked the market but didn't find any more good signals. Today's trading session turned out to be pretty tough, but starting from just $10 we made 1800. That's an amazing result and I'm really happy with it. If you want to start learning trading, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to join my Telegram, links are in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.